Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this amazing metal bench. It is so sturdy, but also lightweight. Couldn't be easier to put together. It comes with all of the tools that you need. It is literally, you put on the arms, the seat, and the back, and that's it. Stay tuned to the end, and I'm going to show you that. Let's take some close-up looks and learn a little bit about this chair. I am obsessed with this chic bench. It is so amazing. I love the look of it, first of all, and it is so comfortable. The backrest and the seat are just so supportive. This is really great for anywhere. It is mostly metal and there's some plastic covering the feet. It holds up to 500 pounds and it only weighs 25.2 pounds. So I could carry this by myself and move it to wherever I want to. It's really roomy and it just really creates such a relaxing experience. It's super stable and it is designed so that several people can sit on here at once, probably up to 3 people, 4 if you have kids. And it does not move. It is just so stable and stays exactly where you want it. It's rust resistant and has really smooth edges. And so this is perfect for outdoors. The assembly is a breeze. Stay tuned to the end and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's literally takes about 10 minutes. I love this. I think it just adds so much to my outdoor space. You could use this in an entryway. You could also use this for extra seating during the holidays. Check out the link for more details. Okay, the chair comes in 4 parts. I already have one side on to the arm and I'm going to screw the other side on now. Once both sides are screwed on, we're going to attach the back and you're finished. I am really loving this one. I give it 2 thumbs up. Check it out.